Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to replace the water filter on your side-by-side refrigerator. LG water filters provide cleaner, fresher and better tasting water and ice for your whole family. So when should you replace the water filter? We recommend that you replace your water filter approximately every 6 months, or when the water filter LED indicator light turns on. You might also need to replace your water filter if the water pressure from your dispenser noticeably decreases. If you need to purchase a new water filter, visit LG.com and type the water filter product number LT1000P into the search bar. Or find it under Website Support section, Parts and Accessories. Then select the filter or filter package that suits your needs. Additionally, you can purchase new water filters at your local dealer or distributor. Or simply search water filter at LG.com. When purchasing, please make sure to select a compatible filter model. Now that you have a new water filter, let's move on to replacing it. The water filter compartment is located inside the upper right corner of the refrigerator. If the top shelf is at the highest position, please remove it to make replacing the water filter easier. And place a towel under the water filter cover to catch dripping water while replacing the water filter. Next, pinch the sides of the water filter cover to open it. Then, swing the old filter out slightly. Grab the bottom of it and turn counterclockwise until it releases. Take a new water filter out of its packaging and be sure to take the cap off. Place the new water filter into the filter compartment and turn it clockwise until it stops. Push the water filter cover upwards until it clicks. Next, you will need to drain roughly 2.5 gallons of water from the dispenser. This will take you about 5 minutes. To do so, press and release the dispenser pad for cycles of 30 seconds on and 60 seconds off. After draining 2.5 gallons of water, press and hold the water filter button for 3 seconds to reset the indicator light. And now you're ready to enjoy cold and refreshing filtered water and ice with the LG refrigerator water and ice dispenser. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.